In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your mileage in QuickBooks. Let's start right from your QuickBooks dashboard. At the very top of the screen, look for the global search bar. Click into it and type the word mileage. In the results that appear, choose the option that says Jump to Mileage. This takes you straight to the mileage area, which is where you'll manage everything related to your trips. On this page, you'll see your mileage overview. Pay attention to the tax year shown near the top, since mileage rates and reports are organized by year. You'll also notice options that help you look at your data by date. Below that, there are helpful categories or tabs: Unreviewed, Business, Personal, and All. Unreviewed is where trips go when they haven't been categorized yet. Business contains trips you've marked as work-related. Personal holds trips that aren't tied to your business. And All shows the complete list in one place. Think of these as simple filters to keep your records clean and accurate. To record a new trip, head to the top right and click Add Trip. A panel or form will open with a few key fields. Enter the trip date so the mileage lands in the correct period and tax year. Add the total distance. If you don't have the exact number, consider mapping it first so it's precise. Accurate records are essential for reliable reports. Then, fill in the start point and end point. Use clear addresses or location names to make your logs easy to understand later. Next, choose whether this was a business or personal trip. As a general guideline, business covers travel directly related to your work, like visiting clients or job sites, while personal covers everyday non-business driving. If this drive was a round trip, meaning you went to the destination and returned the same day along the same route, turn on the round trip option. This doubles the distance for you, so you don't have to create a second entry. When everything looks good, hit Save. That's it. The trip is now part of your mileage records. After saving, take a moment to glance back at those category tabs. If any trips are listed under Unreviewed, decide whether they're business or personal, so your totals stay accurate. Also confirm you're viewing the correct tax year, especially if you're preparing for taxes or running mileage reports. Keeping your mileage organized this way makes end-of-year reporting smoother and helps you capture eligible deductions confidently. With the search, Jump to Mileage, and the Add Trip workflow, you'll be able to stay on top of every mile that matters.